Hello everyone, and in this video I'm going to be counting down my top 5 picks for what I think the next version of Android will be called. Traditionally, Android, when it's released to the general public, comes with a sweet or pastry name. For example, we've had Froyo, Donut, Kit Kat, Jelly Bean, and generally I do believe that this tradition will continue. So in this video, I'm just going to be telling you about some of the names that I think Google may go with when they release Android L as we currently know it to the general public. The first name that I think that Google may go for is simple and effective, but it may just be lemon. It's a fruit. It may not seem the most inventive name for them to call it, but it may be practical and it's just a very simple name, and that seems to be sort of the theme of Android L. If you've looked at the developer preview or seen any videos on it, it seems to be a very simple, streamlined OS that Google wants to push to as many devices as possible, and I think that just giving it a simple name like lemon may suit it. The second name that may go with it, and this is if Google wants to go down that path and find a partner to name their OS with, like they did with Kit Kat, is Licorice Allsorts. That's made by Bassett's, for those who don't know, and I think, well, that's the most famous brand, I believe, that many people will know around the world, and I think that may be a good track for Google to go down. Have a brand awareness for both it and a partner in the market, and I think that could work. Another name that has recently been seen in leaks and is probably more than likely going to be the actual name, as it's mentioned quite a lot in the Android L developer preview files, which is lemon meringue pie. But one thing we have to remember is that Android 4.4, before that was released, it was commonly known as key lime pie all the way up to the release, and then Google surprised everybody and named it Kit Kat instead. So lemon meringue pie may just be Google's internal code name for it, but it might not necessarily be the actual name. It just may be there to throw people off and make them not guess the actual real name while they come up with it. Another choice is definitely lemon drizzle cake, which is another choice that Google may go for, and I think that would also work because that's another dessert that they could use. And then the final choice that I think that Google might go for in terms of finding a partner and someone to work with, if they go with a chocolate bar again, is a Lion bar. And obviously I will leave pictures, and I'll put pictures in this video so all of these different products you can see, and you can see how Google could benefit from working with a partner, particularly the Lion bar and Bassett's with their Licorice Allsorts. So as I said, this was just a very quick video of me giving some ideas of what I think the next version of Android will be called when it's released to the general public, following the normal tradition of each version of Android being given a sweet or pastry name. And obviously I now want to know what you think the next version of Android will be called, and I'd like you to leave these in the comments below. And also, if you liked this video, please hit that like button. If you want to see more videos like this, please also subscribe to my channel, where you'll see more high quality videos just like this one, and I hope to see you all in a future video. And if you liked me as well and want to follow me on any social networks, I'll leave these in the description below. I would like to thank you very much for watching my video, and goodbye.